Blender's viewport navigation is oftentimes confusing for new users. You try to zoom in on something like these chimneys here, but the more zoomed in you are, the more everything slows down. At some point you can't even pan your camera anymore and are restricted to just looking around. This is because Blender uses an invisible focus point. The closer you are to this point, the slower your zooming becomes. You can reset your focus by selecting something and pressing the comma key on your numpad. This works reasonably well for small and compact objects like this wall piece with a door here. However, for more complex and detailed shapes like this tree, you are out of luck. You can't rotate around individual branches, at least not in object mode. You could switch to edit mode, select some parts and then focus on them, but this is becoming tedious very quickly. So let's make all of this much easier. Go to Edit, Preferences, Navigation. There are two boxes we need to check: Auto Depth and Zoom to Mouse Position. Zoom to Mouse Position is pretty self-explanatory. You point your cursor at something, zoom, and instead of zooming to the center of your screen, you zoom toward your cursor. That's really helpful already, but we still have these slowdowns, or we overshoot and zoom right through the surface of an object. That's where Auto Depth comes in. Once it's enabled, whatever is under your cursor is used as the focus depth for zooming, panning and rotating. This allows you to move around very fast with pinpoint accuracy. You don't need to select anything anymore, you don't need the comma key ever again, and it works in every mode.